Hey everyone, good morning. Wanda DePaulo here. Good morning or afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Guys, I'm sorry, a little earlier. I was sharing with you yesterday. For some reason, I hit the button. So I'm going to just kind of start off where I left off, okay? Yesterday, I was talking about the richest people on earth. Amazon is $1 million business model, and it's affiliate marketing. As I stated before, we're not an MLM or a network marketing company. We have many customers who use our products and learn how to have more success in those types of companies, but we're not one of them. In MLM and network marketing, commissions are earned from the sales that you share with a number of people in your upline. Affiliate marketing is different. Amazon is one of them. For example, Amazon is affiliate marketing. When you go to Amazon and you scroll down, you see the link become an affiliate. If you do this, Amazon will give you a link and you share that with others. You refer them to Amazon products and you receive a commission. When people buy those products through your link, you earn a commission. You get to keep all your commissions from that sale without sharing them with anyone. Your income is limited by your ability to refer customers, which means your income potential is 100% on your ability to refer others. That's a huge benefit to an affiliate, right? Interesting enough, Jen Benzo, the founder of Amazon, has just become the richest man in the world with over $108 billion. Now, on the downside of affiliate marketing, we have companies that sell physical products. And the company is limited to the amount of commission that they can sell to you for each sale. The smaller the commission, the more the sales. The more sales you have to make a difference for your income and your family. Now, let's say your goal is $3,000 a month. If you're only earning $3 per sale, you would have to do 1,000 sales to achieve that goal. If those sales were not reoccurring, right, you would have to do that each and every month. That doesn't sound fun, does it? Right? Well, making 1,000 new sales each and every month is definitely not fun, okay? That doesn't sound like it's fun to me, and I'm sure it doesn't sound like it's fun to you. But what if instead of making it $3 every single time, you earned $100, right? You earned $100 per sale. You got paid again and again every month. So if you had to make a one-time sale, you got that to keep paying for you. With this type of business model, right, you only need to gather 30 customers. As long as these customers like what you referred them to, your $3,000 monthly income would continue to pour in month after month after month. Combining the power of affiliate marketing with your next business model, sorry guys, I'm a little tongue-tied, with your next business model, that makes it possible. Microsoft is a business model that's created the world's second richest man in information marketing. Before Jen Benzo took over the world, the richest man was Bill Gates from Microsoft. He held the title of the network of over $1 billion. What kind of business did Bill Gates build? He built a software company, which in the sense, the business earned income by selling information. Software is code, guys. In other words, it's information. One of the reasons our business model is insanely profitable is because once it's coded, the information is created, and you can sell that same information over and over again to different people with no increase in cost in goods. Does that make sense? This means after the expenses of the business are paid, all the new sales are pure profit for selling information. And there's plenty of it, guys. But wait, there's more. Not only is information marketing one of the most powerful business models on the planet, most intuitively knowing information, right? Everybody knows information is valuable, and they're willing to pay big money for it. So how else could we explain the facts that millions and millions of college kids every year are incurring student debt for over hundreds of thousands of dollars 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, some even more, right? Why? Why did they do that? Because they want to consume information, right? To get a better job, to make a better income, right? To support their families. Guys, that's why what we have here is so powerful. Not only are we making a difference, right, in our lives, but we're making a difference in the world. We're bringing something of value. So if you want to learn more now how you can work from home, have a company that's going to back you, work with people that are inspiring on the same page with you, in vision and in harmony for the better of all, click around my link, guys. Check it out. Go make a powerful decision for yourself. So I invite you today to take a look before you're going to go spend all this money and going to college, guys, or going out there investing in something, right, that's not going to bring value to the marketplace, that's not going to make a difference in your life and others. I encourage you to take a look. So go to freedom123.xyz/HBA, guys, and make an intelligent decision for yourself, because I'm telling you that this information that we have here today is going to make a difference in the world. People are tired of being taken advantage of. They're tired of being pressured. They're tired of being sold more than they need. So I'm here to tell you that keep moving forward. Never give up on your dreams. Never have a bad taste in your mouth because you got burnt before. Believe in yourself. Believe in others, because we believe in you. And we are going to make a difference together, united. So I love you, appreciate you. I look forward to sharing with you tomorrow.